Now I'll turn the show over to man of the hour, Dr. Venu.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. A warm San Diego welcome to Thai San Diego Health Conference, NexGen HealthCare Revolution. As a chairman of this organizing committee, I have had the privilege of witnessing incredible dedication that has gone into bringing up this event to life. Seeing you all here, ready to engage, innovate, connect, and makes every effort worthwhile. This isn't just another conference. It is a pivotal moment where we ignite the future of healthcare. We stand at an accelerating crossroads where groundbreaking announcements are rapidly redefining what is possible in health and wellness. We are standing at a pivotal moment in healthcare. The rapid advancements in technology, data science, and personal medicine are not just the incremental improvements. They are fundamentally reshaping how we approach health, wellness, and patient care. This conference isn't about discussing the changes. It is about igniting the next wave of transformation. You will hear from visionary thought leaders and groundbreaking innovators and researchers who are pushing the boundaries of what is possible in areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning in the diagnosis and treatment of various diseases, the power of genomics and the precision medicine to deliver highly personalized care, revolutionary digital solutions that are democratizing across and empowering the patients, cutting-edge diagnosis techniques that promise more accurate and timely patient care, next generation of strategies for patient management addressing evolving needs and best practices. But perhaps one of the most fascinating dimensions of NextGen HealthCare Revolution is our commitment to fostering the future. This is your unique window into bleeding edge of healthcare entrepreneurship, the idea and the solutions that will shape our tomorrow. This conference serves as a vibrant forum for exploring these advancements, stimulating discussions, and crucially, fostering the next generation of healthcare innovators. Beyond the insightful presentation and panel discussion, I encourage you actively participate. This is an unparalleled opportunity to network with peers, forge new collaborations, engage in kind of spontaneous conversations that often spark the brilliant ideas. A plea for the speakers. Since we have included phenomenal 30 speakers, I kindly request each one of you to adhere to the time limit. Please ensure that you do not exceed the allocated time. You will be informed about the remaining time for your lecture, but we are thrilled to see your presentation. As an appeal for the audience, I kindly request you to refrain from talking and making any disruptive noises that may hinder the speakers. Please turn off your cell phones and switch them to silent mode. If you must speak, kindly step out of the conference room, complete your talk, and then return back to the room. Our goal for this conference is simple, yet ambitious. To equip you with the knowledge, connections, and the inspiration to not just adapt to the future of healthcare, but to actively shape it. Let's leverage our collective expertise to drive meaningful changes, improve patient outcomes, and ultimately revolutionize the healthcare for generations to come. Thank you all for your patience. Thank you for being here, ready to engage and innovate. Let the next gen healthcare revolution begin. Thank you.